Well, guys, this is one of my classes. I mean, I know everything is out of mess. Nothing is gonna stay like this. I'm just trying to get everything accommodated really fast, and then I will be going and packing. Look at this disaster. My room. My bed is not put together. There are my rails, but I have everything everywhere because the person that was gonna help me move, they only have one day to help me move. I like the bathroom. The bathroom is nice. Like I say, guys, have in mind it's not gonna stay like this. Hi, guys. So I have a mess. So, yep, this is the bathroom. See, so you guys can see, it's a nice bathroom. But once I get it all fixed the way I want to get it fixed, you guys will be seeing it as a. That one over there that I show you is the master room. This is another room. My grandson come and he stays, so we gotta put it together. Another walking closet in my room. Everything is everywhere. Guys, you guys remember my big kitchen? I'm gonna show you my kitchen. This is where I have to accommodate to be my living room and my dining room. So that tells you right there. Guys, see? And then my little kitchen. Putting stuff in the. I already cleaned the cabinets inside, even though management cleans it, but no. You guys can see. Let me step back over here. Look at my tiny little stove. I mean, it's just a tiny little stove. There's my kitchen, guys. Tiny little kitchen. Tiny, tiny. Um, my plants are on the way, but that right there is the dishwasher. That refrigerator looks like that because I have stainless steel cleaner on it. Then I gotta wipe it. Tiny little refrigerator. Tiny little stove. And this is it, guys. And then, oh Lord, it's been crazy, guys. And then my entry door. And let me see. Let me show you guys outside right quick. And this is my hallway. That's my whole tree, my plants, main door. And my lock right there is the laundry room. But yeah, guys, small apartment compared to living from a house. Yep. But yeah, guys, this is my 2-bedroom small apartment compared from a house. But hey, all I do here is just pay for the light. Everything else is covered by the rent. So guys, how are you guys doing? Still haven't put curtains up. Guys, I am exhausted. Um, yep. I hope you guys are doing okay. We're doing good. Last night I fell out and I didn't even know what time did I fall asleep. That's how sucks that I am. I will bring you guys some more update. Hopefully the next time you guys will see more progress. But it's been a challenge. It's been a challenge. My husband and I, my son, and my son's brother-in-law help us, and then my sister came with her husband, and they help us on the other house, clean it up, leave it clean, fix everything for the other landlord now. Within the next 2 weeks, he got a return to us, my husband and I, $1,000. So he already called us. He went and he looked at the apartment and he said everything looks good. So yeah, guys, that's what's going on. I'm still alive. And hopefully once I settle, I will be able to start participating in some collaborations. But I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, It could be worse. Don't mind the mess behind me. You guys will see progress. You guys will see curtains up. And yep. All right, guys. Bye-bye.